Wake up! Bitcoin is making headlines again, and this time, it's about more than speculation. Welcome to the Digital Finance Daily News Show. Please take a second to hit the subscribe button, as we are trying to grow the channel and your support really helps. So let's get into what's been happening around the world. The macro forces are aligning with institutional demand, reshaping global finance. Washington is turning crypto into official business. The Senate and House are hosting a crypto week with hearings. They're pushing critical bills like the Clarity Act and the Anti-CBDC Surveillance Act. This could define the US as a global crypto leader. An unexpected mover has shocked the community. A 2011 Bitcoin wallet transferred $8.6 billion. Experts speculate whether this is savvy management or a potential market shakeup. Either way, it's causing quite a buzz. Venture capital is also doubling down. Ego Death Capital closed a $100 million fund. They're supporting Bitcoin native startups focusing on real-world payment systems. This shows Bitcoin is maturing beyond just digital gold. In Tokyo, Metaplanet plans to accumulate over 210,000 BTC by 2027. They aim for significant market influence and are courting capital via preferred shares. Their shares have already surged 345% this year. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy has paused its buying spree but remains a significant player. Markets aren't panicking. Bitcoin holds around $109,000, staying resilient despite uncertainty. A bold development involves a proposed blue-chip crypto ETF. It would allocate 70% to Bitcoin and other significant tokens. This indicates crypto is becoming mainstream and politically relevant. Now, let's consider the bigger picture. The money supply is climbing, exceeding $113 trillion. Historical patterns show Bitcoin often rallies when fiat supply increases. If this continues, experts forecast Bitcoin could reach $180,000 or even $200,000. Corporate treasury adoption is also booming. Over 500,000 Bitcoins are now in public company treasuries. Companies like GameStop and Sequence are getting involved, showing Bitcoin's evolving role in finance. Government interest is increasing too. Several states are creating strategic Bitcoin reserves. Nations like El Salvador are exploring national stash initiatives. What was once fringe is now institutional. However, political risks still exist. A Bitcoin donation to the Czech Republic's Justice Ministry caused significant fallout. This highlights the need for clarity and integrity in the space. Technical charts indicate Bitcoin is testing strong resistance near $110,000. A breakout above $115,000 could signal new highs. What's on the horizon? Fed minutes could signal changes in interest rates, impacting crypto values. New ETFs and financial tools emerge, increasing market access. Bitcoin is now a strategic asset. Corporates use it as operating capital while governments explore reserve options. Tools built on Bitcoin could unlock mainstream commerce. But don't forget the risks. Political interference, legal issues, and sudden movements from large holders could jolt prices. Let's recap. Regulatory moves in the US are underway. Billions are flowing into Bitcoin from various sectors. ETF infrastructure is maturing, making crypto more accessible. Macro fundamentals, like money supply and geopolitical instability, are driving interest. Breakout patterns are forming, signaling momentum potential. But political risks and market uncertainties remain. So, what should viewers and investors do? Stay informed. Track US bills and global reserve initiatives. Monitor institutional filings and macroeconomic data closely. Consider your exposure. If you trust in central banks and institutional access, Bitcoin is compelling. Use options hedges and track support zones. Diversify your tools. Ethereum and Layer 2 infrastructure remain relevant. Position allocations should reflect Bitcoin's evolving narrative. Finally, engage actively. Anticipate changes, don't just react. Stay tuned for daily insights and analysis. Bitcoin is entering a new phase marked by strategic adoption. It's becoming institutionalized and more recognized. So, stay alert and informed. Big trends may bring big reversals. We'll keep you updated with macro crypto insights. Like, subscribe, and share our channel. Remember, education is your edge in this fast-moving market.